Hey everybody, and welcome back to the channel. I'm Mojo if you're new, and it's about to get real. I've been looking at the bay, thinking to myself, what can I do best and to make this look the best as long as I'm not taking absolutely everything apart, engine bay wise. So, come to the conclusion that I'm not going to be able to make it look as good as I want. But I want to get rid of the rust and make it just look a lot cleaner. So I'm going to be scrubbing where I can, taping off in places where I don't want painted, and I'm going to paint the rusted area as far as that goes where the battery tray was. So I will be painting that. And let's put you guys on a time lapse, or I can even show you guys exactly what I'm talking about. So let's get into that. Alright guys, so this cowl right here is super rusty. I'm going to take this off. I'm going to remove these wiper blades. I already started. I took out all the screws. There's 5, I believe. There's 6 screws that go across. So I took out the screws. I'm going to take out these nuts that go on the wipers. Take those off. I'll end up painting them. And then basically, as you can see guys, I'll show you guys. But that piece is missing. It flew off way back when Riley and I were driving this. But as you can, this thing is not sealed at all. So I'm moving this whole thing. So that is get these off. So if anybody knows if these just pop off, I would definitely be appreciative if you told me that with just clips. So comment down below, and then I'm gonna take these off, paint these. And then basically I'm prepping the areas where I'm actually just going to paint and or just clean up. It may not look like much, but I vacuumed the crap out of this. I took off all these covers, the cowl, and what I'm going to do is just got a Scotch Brite. I'm going to clean this all up. I'm sure it'll get dirty again, but this is like years of not being touched, so it can't get any worse. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to clean up this whole area with Scotch Brite and see where that gets me.
Yeah, every day that's you and me. All day that's us, boo. Came through with that new thing. See, I don't know why I trust you. Crazy now, I'm just too on. Maybe now I'm just too gone. Maybe now I'm just looking for that same vibe that you on.
Hey guys, I just got off the phone with the machine shop that I took the heads and the block to. So in this video I want to pick up them and bring them back and then get ready to prep for the rebuild. And what they told me was that I do not need to bore out the cylinders because there's only 1 to 2 thousandths of an inch of damage on the cylinder, on cylinder 1. So I'm good to just get it honed, run standard pistons, standard everything, and then I will be going over there tomorrow to drop off the freeze plugs. They're going to do a full clean top to bottom, hone out the cylinders, deck the block, resurface the heads, clean the heads all the way up, and then this thing is going to be looking mint, guys. I can't wait to show you, so stay tuned for that. But I talked to the machine shop yesterday and they said they'd have my engine done. Yesterday was Thursday. Come to 5 o'clock, the time they closed, and they still hadn't called me back. So I was sad because I worked Friday, Saturday, Sunday, so I knew I wouldn't be able to pick it up. They called me today, which is Friday, and say, hey, we have your engine done. We had to weld the head 3 times. So I'm gonna get him to elaborate on that because that makes no sense. But I asked him if I threw in another 20 bucks, making it $400 for everything, if he could wait until I get there, which would be an hour and a half. So it would be 6:30 when I got there, and he said, yeah, absolutely, we'd totally do that for you. So I'm on my way there right now from work. I'm gonna pick it up, see maybe if he doesn't care if he's on camera, explain what's going on or what happened, maybe if the heads were warped or something, and see what happens. So we'll see you guys at the machine shop. unfortunately, he did not want to be recorded, so I did respectfully, you know, I had to be respectful. It was his private company, so I did not record him. But I do have the heads in block, and they're right here. They're right here in trash bags, and I will be showing you them when I get home. I'm currently driving like 10 miles an hour under the speed limit. There was some serious corrosion and warping of the heads that I have to explain to you guys, and I'm honestly very grateful for Ron's Automotive Machine Shop. I will, you know, they have a Facebook. You can like them on Facebook, all this stuff. I'm very grateful for them, so I will get you guys back when I'm back at the house. Look at that. Looks like I got car parts, and holy shit, what's that? The heads I'll get into later, guys, but holy crap, this looks amazing. They actually guarantee OEM spec, I should say. It's not it meets OEM specifications. And also, if you're wondering, this comes with your wrist pin, so you can take your old rods with your piston in, take them to your machine shop, aka Ron's. I hope you guys go there if you're local to me. But they'll press them in for you, and I think it's like $40 or something like that. But again, guys, that's the whole kit that I got today, and I'm gonna have to do some research because I'm pretty sure I ordered more than that. So if you guys like this video, actually, hold on, we're not done. I have to show you my engine and heads, my block and heads. So we're gonna go look at that really quick before we end this. All right, before I show you that, I actually just did some research, and apparently I didn't order the timing tensioner bearing or the pulley, so I'm gonna have to order that through them. It's only like $20 for the two total, so I'm gonna get that. But if anybody wants the timing belt or the brass freeze plugs, just let me know, DM me on Instagram, and I'll send them to you. And yeah, guys, I'm gonna show you the end. All right, guys, so this is the block. I'm not taking it fully off just because my dog is out. I don't want hair all on this. But as you can see, these cross hatchings are clean. Look at that. So this was cleaned 100%, resurfaced, whole 9 yards, guys. I just have to put these cover plates back on. But this was cylinder number 1, and there was small damage to it. But now I can just, let me focus for you. Now I can just rub it, and there's nothing at all. So that's mint. This is pretty perfect, okay? Can't be mad at this at all. So let's look at the head. This is one of the heads. He did label them. Oh, F right here for front. This is the front head, guys. So it lays just like this. This would be the front of the engine. This is insane. He cleaned everything up with a lifter sit. This is absolutely insane. The only thing that I have to complain about, and it's not even his fault, it's my own, these valve guides. If you look at them, I'm going to get those replaced. They're not expensive, and this is the bottom. He resurfaced these, made sure where the gasket would be sitting, it would be fine. So he resurfaced this. He said this is not to worry about, which I fully trust him. Right here, this was, I think I'm gonna have to take this back, to be honest. 99% of the work was great. I need to talk to him again about this, because this was over cylinder number 1, which we all know had damage from the piston ring. So I don't know if he just missed this or he actually thinks it'll be okay. But I'm gonna have to get a hold of him about this and see what he thinks. But obviously these are super clean, and I'm not talking bad or whatever. But yeah, guys, you guys seen the last video of these heads. So there's that one. This one is the bad one. So this had a lot of corrosion from antifreeze, aka coolant, yada yada yada, you know what it is. So again, this looks fantastic right off the jump. He actually stayed an hour and a half for me, so it's pretty cool. Okay, so right here, he said that he actually had to, that's insane. He said he actually had to resurface this, and the damage was so deep that he actually had to weld it in, grind it. He said he had to do that 3 times to get this the way he wanted it. So it's just incredible what he did, and I'm seriously super thankful for him. And this is going to turn out great. And I asked him what the problem would have been if I would have just ran the heads and not got them machined. He said it would instantly would have leaked coolant because they were so warped and so damaged. So again, forever thankful for that. So I'm going to put these back down. And if you guys like the video, obviously leave a like. Comment down below if you want. Actually, don't comment down below if you want those free parts. If you don't have Instagram, DM me on Instagram. Make an Instagram, DM me. I will literally send them to you for free. You send the address and they're yours. So, yeah, and it's Saturday right now, so I'll send those to you come Monday. So, it's actually Friday. I'll send them to you Monday, whatever. So, DM me on Instagram, and I'll be more than happy to send those to you. And I'm still waiting on my main bearings from DNJ. I'll have to message them, see what's up, because I didn't get them. But if I have main bearings that are 20 thousandths over, freeze plugs, timing belt, and those are for you guys. So if you like this video, please hit the like button, subscribe, share, and definitely hit up Ron's Machine Shop if you're local to me, Sterling, Illinois. They are the bomb, super nice people. And like I said, they stayed an hour and a half late for me just so I could get my heads in block today. So awesome, awesome, awesome by them. I'm done ranting. Have a great day, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.